Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options and how to unpair our connected Bluetooth device from Samsung Galaxy A55. Right now we have our speaker connected to the phone. Let's unpair it. So how to do it? We need to go to settings, then in connections we have Bluetooth right here, and as you can see here it is JBL Charge 4 connected. We have only one device. We can simply turn off our Bluetooth, but we will still have our JBL connected. Paired. So it will not use it, but it will be still paired. So how to unpair it? We need to access this cog menu right here, and at the bottom we have Unpair. And now we have no devices on our phone. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.